for everything. I mean,
Ay, wala lang.
hawak na unahan niya. Thank you guys for everything. Lalo na sa nag-prepare ng Tag Award. It wasn't easy because I saw how hard it was for them to prepare everything in the flash presentation. Thank you also for sticking with me for all the decisions that I have made. That we always believe na whatever decision that I will make, it's for the good of you and for the good of the team. Na kahit minsan, some of you are, somehow, natatanong, but I'm very proud that whatever decision I make, you join me with that. And I guess that's the secret of our team. I guess it's very incomparable. Walang makakatalo talaga sa team natin. They may get high scores sometimes, but no one can beat the teamwork, the unity, and the strength that this team has. Talaga, hindi talaga ako iyak kay Pilipino. In-enjoy ko yung speech. And also, I want to thank you for accepting me for who I am, that you didn't consider that as a factor of not. Because before, I was really asking some people if I have to tell it to everyone, but they advised not to. But through blog, that's my way to introduce to everyone. Because I wasn't hiding anything. I want everyone to know that. And thank you for accepting me. Lahat ng kalokohan ko, lahat ng pressure na binibigay ko, lalo na sa mga counseling, sa lahat ng mga kapraningan, sa mga mysteries na binibigay ko, sa mga hassle, at saka yung sa mga ito lang masasabi ko, if ano man mangyari this year for us, for me, wala na ako ibang mahihiling because I got the best team na pwede kong makuha. And each personality, kaya kong sabihin kahit kanino na malaking pagbabago ang naganap sa buhay nila during the entire stay nila sa team. And that's my legacy and that's my pride. It's gonna be wow. Nakuha niya yun. Yun lang. And thank you. This means something. And thank you so much.
And also guys, para naman sa kaninang mga group competition natin. For the Lazy Race Challenge, maybe call